The amazing world of chickens! Hey guys, welcome back sa channel! Today, samahan niyo ako as we explore the super amazing world of chickens! Ang gagaling ng manok! Sa tingin mo, simple lang ang manok? Nope! They're actually one of the most interesting animals ever! They're smart, social, at sobrang expressive! Libo-libong taon na silang kasama ng humans and today, malalaman mo ang facts na sure akong hindi mo pa naririnig. Chicken breeds and personalities. Alam mo ba na may 1,600 plus chicken breeds around the world? Grabe, di ba? Merong gentle breeds like Orpington, super energetic like Leghorn, at mga ornamental beauties like Silky. Each breed may sariling personality. May clingy lap chicken, may hyper explorers, at syempre may mga super egg machines. How smart are chickens? Believe it or not, matalino ang manok. Kaya nilang matutunan ang over 30 different sounds, tandaan ang more than 100 faces at mag-solve ng simple problems. And yes, nakakaramdam sila ng emotions like excitement, curiosity, at minsan empathy para sa flock nila.
The journey of an egg. Lahat ng itlog may sariling story. After ilabas ng hen ang egg, it takes 21 days para maging chick. Inside the egg, nabubuo ang eyes, feathers, beak, lungs, lahat. At pag ready na siya, ginagamit niya ang tiny egg tooth para mabasag ang shell. Nature is amazing! Panoorin ninyo ang separate video ng The Amazing Journey from Egg to Chick dito rin sa channel na ito. How chickens communicate. Ang manok may advanced communication system. May cluck para sa danger, may purr pag relaxed, may chirp para tawagin ang chicks, at yung klasikong pok-pok-pokak para i-announce ang bagong itlog. Each sound may meaning talaga. Health and diet. Mahilig ang chickens sa variety. Aside sa feeds, they eat seeds, grass, fruits, insects, worms, at pati tiny pebbles para matulungan ang digestion nila. Healthy chicken equals bright eyes, shiny feathers, at super active movement. Chickens in human life. For thousands of years, malaki ang role ng chickens sa buhay ng tao. Food providers, pest control experts, at ngayon, pets na may names, toys, at mini houses. Yes, may mga manok na spoiled. Fun facts you didn't expect. Fun facts. Una, manok nagli-live dream. May REM sleep sila like humans. Kaya nilang tumakbo up to 9 miles per hour. At minsan, kinakausap na ng hens ang chicks nila habang nasa loob pa ng egg. At ayun na ang ating super energetic tour sa mundo ng manok. If nag-enjoy ka, don't forget to like, subscribe, at i-share itong video para sa mga ka-farm lovers natin.